Welcome to our English lesson. Today, we'll learn how to use the verb phrase. Would have plus past participle, V3, is used to talk about imaginary or unreal situations in the past, things that didn't actually happen, but we are imagining what could have happened instead. It is often used to express regrets, missed opportunities, assumptions, or different possible outcomes in the past. Let's understand this better with some examples. I would have told you if I had known. I would have called you, but I didn't know your number. If she had put the leftovers in the refrigerator, they wouldn't have spoiled. If I had asked her out, she would have said yes. If you had closed the windows, the rain wouldn't have come in. If we had made a reservation, we wouldn't have waited so long for a table. If I had double-checked the address, I wouldn't have gone to the wrong place. If I had known they were vegetarian, I would have avoided ordering meat. Sarah would have finished the work, but she felt ill and had to go home. If I had used my mind, I would not have made that mistake. I didn't know you were ill. Otherwise, I would have come earlier to see you. Would it have worked if we had tried harder? Even if he had known the answer, would he have told you? Would they have waited for you if you had been late? If I had told you the truth, would you have believed me? Thanks for watching.